Here we've got another example of solving a simple trigonometric equation. This time we've got cos of theta is equal to minus 1 on root 2 for 0 is less than theta is less than 2 pi. So here we're going to assume that we're working in radians, seeing as it's in terms of pi. So again, we follow a pretty similar process. So think about it. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 on root 2. First, let's just draw the special triangle that's going to get us that. So I happen to remember the one that has a root 2 in it is the one where you've got 1, 1, root 2, and your right angle here. And so you've got, in terms of radians, both of the angles are pi on 4, also known as 45 degrees. I'm just going to do it as well up here. Doesn't really matter which one you use, but yeah, they're both that. So if you think about it, cos is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So I know that cos of pi on 4 is equal to 1 on root 2. Now, so that is helpful, but if I think about it, this is saying when it's negative 1 on root 2. So if I draw my unit circle, if I were to put pi on 4 here, that's going to be positive 1 on root 2, so that's no good. I got to use my cast rule, and I got to think, well, all are positive here, sine's positive here, tan's positive here, cos is positive here. So I want to be in these two quadrants because cos is going to come out negative. So I need there and there, where the angle I make with the x-axis on both of those are both going to be pi on 4. So if I think about that between 0 and 2 pi, well, what are the angles I actually care about? The ones that actually solve my equation. There's this one. So what? Pi on 4 there, all the way would be pi. So if you think about it, I've got 3/4 of pi, don't I? If that's 1/4 of pi. So 3 pi on 4, that's going to work. Another one is all the way to there, going around like that. So now I'm pi on 4 past pi. So if you think about that, so I'm doing pi plus pi on 4, that is 5 pi on 4. Let's just write that here. You don't really need to write this in your working, but so if I want to just write my answer, so I've got cos theta is equal to minus 1 on root 2 for that domain up there. Well, the values of theta that would make that equation true are 3 pi on 4 and 5 pi on 4. And those are the only ones in that domain that are